In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add priority on Asana. This straightforward process can make a significant difference in how you manage and organize your tasks effectively. Let's dive right in. First things first, you need to navigate to the Asana login page. If you haven't already got Asana open, simply head over to your browser and search for Asana, or click the link you may have saved in your bookmarks. Once you have the login page in front of you, it's time to enter your email address in the designated field. This is the same email you used to register your Asana account. With your email typed in, click on the continue button to proceed. Next, you'll be asked to enter your password. Make sure it's entered correctly to avoid any hiccups, and then click on log in. Now you're in the heart of Asana, your homepage. From here, you'll want to select the project where you plan to add a priority field. Browse through your list of projects and click on the one you're focusing on today. Inside your selected project, you'll see various options. Look for the plus icon or the add field icon, usually located toward the top or a bit to the side. Clicking on this will give you a set of field types to choose from. You will name this new field priority to clearly identify its function. A neat tip is that you can add a description if you want to give further insight into how to use this priority field. This can be particularly useful if you're collaborating with a team and want everyone to have a clear understanding of the criteria. Moving on to the options related to this field, here's where you bring in more structure. You should define options like high, medium, or low priority levels. These labels will help you and your team prioritize tasks at a glance, ensuring everyone knows what's urgent and what can wait. You can even click on add an option if you need to create a new priority level that better fits your workflow. Colors can also be a great way to organize visually, so feel free to click on the icons to change the colors for each priority level. This will make your grid not only functional but also visually appealing. Finish things up by selecting create field when you're satisfied with your setup. Congratulations, you've just added a priority column to your Asana project. With this new addition, you can easily track and prioritize tasks, which will boost your productivity tremendously. Implementing these small changes can have a big impact on how efficiently you work within Asana. Hopefully this guide has made it clearer and easier for you to manage tasks and projects. Thanks for watching, and see you next time with more helpful tips.